So, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Hello, sir. My name is Erica May Asilahis from 1B and my topic is about components of aerobic dance. But before I start, gusto kong bigyan natin ng linaw kung ano ba talaga yung aerobic dance na tinatawag. So, for me, aerobic dance is the performing dance regularly will keep your cholesterol level in check. Another benefit of aerobic dancing is that it reduces stress and uplift your mood. Diba, when we are dancing, alam naman natin na na-enjoy tayo. Hindi na natin namamalayan na yung muscles natin sa body natin is mas napapagalaw pa natin ng ayos. So, the first component of aerobic dance is physical activity and duration. So, sabi dito, aerobics involves moving large muscles group continuously and rhythmically. Aerobic physical activity typically involves repetitive movements that move multiple joints, such as running and jogging, which involves continuous upper and lower body joint articulation. So, eto nga, sabi dyan, moving large muscles or groups continuously and rhythmically. Sa dancing kasi, it is a whole body work that's actually fun, di ba? When yung heart natin is makes that stronger. Di ba? Hindi man natin nararamdaman agad, but when we were performing dancing, nade-develop yung heart rate or yung pagtibok ng puso natin. So, yan. That's the physical activity and duration. Next one is energy production. Sabi, your body produce energy using oxygen, glucose, and fatty acids in varying proportions during aerobics. Unlike anaerobic activity, which extract glucose primarily from muscle tissues for energy, your body and liver supply more of glucose that your body uses during aerobics. So, yun. Energy production, although maraming types ng energy, most efficient daw na energy yung solar energy kasi pwede siya kahit sa bahay mo lang at mas napapaganda yung production nung pag-develop ng energy at yung supplies para sa body natin ng energy. Yan. The next one is aerobic capacity. Your aerobic capacity refers to the greatest amount of oxygen that your body can consume during maximal effort while performing aerobic activities. Aerobic capacity is also known as VO2 or VO2 max, functional capacity, or aerobic power. Yon. Yung aerobic capacity naman is nakaka-reduce siya ng risk ng many condition while we were performing aerobics. So, ayun, madaming cause na ma-prevent natin yung illness or yung mga stroke, syndrome, mga high blood pressure, and mga diabetes when we were performing aerobics kasi mas madaming oxygen yung nakukuha natin kapag nag-e-effort tayo na mag-perform ng aerobics. So the next one is cardiorespiratory endurance. Refers to the ability of your circulatory and respiratory systems to supply energy during aerobics and to remove cellular waste that results from energy production. You can perform aerobics for longer periods of time with greater cardiorespiratory endurance. So, cardiorespiratory endurance, tinetest nito kung well ba yung pagtibok ng puso natin and yung muscles natin kung nasa high moderate daw ba sila. And tinutulungan nito yung person na mag-sustain ng physical activity na mas mahaba pa dun sa time na ginagawa nila. For example, exercise ka lang ng first day mo pa lang pag-exercise and syempre, di ba, mararamdaman mo agad yung pagod. Pero pag tumagal ka na habang nag-exercise, dun mo lang marirealize na nadadagdagan na pala yung kakayanan mo to perform that activities. Ayan. So, the next one is VO2 max or VO2 max. Also, maximal oxygen consumption, maximal oxygen uptake, peak oxygen uptake, or maximal aerobic capacity is the maximum capacity of an individual's body to transform and use oxygen during incremental exercise, which reflects the physical fitness of the individual. The name is derived from V, which is volume, and O2, oxygen, max is maximum. So, yung VO2 o VO2 max naman daw, so yun, isa siyang measurement of the maximum amounts of oxygen used to establish the aerobic endurance of an athlete prior or to during course of training. So yun, amount of oxygen lang siya na nag-i-intense sa sarili mo na i-commit yung exercise. Yan, na-uptake din niya yung oxygen na makukuha natin to habang nagpe-perform tayo ng aerobic dances. And the last one is intensity. The intensity of aerobics refers to the amount of effort that you exert during the activity. Your heart rate generally increases as aerobic intensity increases. Moderate intensity aerobic activity may bring your pulse within 60 to 70% of your maximum heart rate. Diba, when we are doing aerobic activities such as example is walking and biking, yung intensity, ito yung how hard the activity feels to you, kung ano yung ipinararamdam sa'yo nung ginawa mo na activity. And exercise intensity is also shown in your breathing and heart rate. Diba, kapag halimbawa na hindi pa tayo nagsistart, wala pang hingal na nararamdaman sa ating breathing. But when we are doing activity, dun na, lumalabas na yung mga intensity na sobrang hinahapo ka na, yung parang gusto mo na magpahinga kasi nandun na yung intense na nararamdaman mo. So, yan lang po. So, I hope may naintindihan po kayo sa aking report, and that is the components of aerobic dances. Thank you.